Today, we are going to review how to use the Enhance feature, the ultimate shortcut to adding context to your Prompteer prompts. Before we get started, let's review the key universal truth in using AI. The better the prompt you give AI, the better your AI results will be. Providing AI with the right context in your prompts is critical to AI actually understanding what you are looking for and providing you with the best possible answer. Adding context can be time-consuming, so we created the option to use an instant shortcut, the Enhance feature. Let's get started. Type your rough idea. It can be as simple as one sentence. Click Enhance. You can enhance up to 3 times. Watch how Prompteer instantly expands what you wrote with thoughtful insights and context tailored to your unique request. Think of Enhance as a brilliant thought partner that is reading your input and saying, I believe these are all the additional elements you are actually looking for in your prompt. You can click the Undo button if you want to go back to your previous version. You can edit your enhanced input however you like. When you are done, click Generate Prompt. The expert-level prompt you created will contain all your robust context, so you get the best possible results from AI. Try the feature today and let us know what you think.